this video, I will show you how to lock your keyboard in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So you may want to lock your keyboard if you've got an important document or something that you're working on and you don't want to accidentally type or have anyone else accidentally type something which could potentially affect an important document or something like that. So to go ahead and lock your keyboard, what you need to do from your desktop is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon and open up your settings. If you don't see the settings here, use the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Once your settings window is opened, come over to this menu on the left hand side and click onto accessibility, and on the accessibility window just scroll down until you see the interaction section. Now in this section you're going to see the keyboard option. What you want to do is click onto keyboard. What that's going to do is bring up a window like this, and there's an option here called filter keys, and what you want to do is go ahead and just turn this on. What that's going to do is effectively lock your keyboard, so when you try and type something you're going to hear a clicking sound but nothing's actually going to be typed. And then of course to unlock your keyboard, all you would do is again simply turn this option off and you should now be able to type as normal. So that is how to lock your keyboard in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.